Part 3, seaming in high traffic areas. Hello everyone, and I hope you're enjoying this playground seaming series. I am often asked what turf products I recommend for sports, playgrounds, and high volume traffic activity areas. And I ask these questions in return. How many square feet is the surface? How many people are on the surface at any given time? What are the ages and average weights of the persons using the surface? How many hours are they using the surface at any given time? And how many times a day, week, month, and year are they using the surface? And last, how often is the surface maintained? Is it being maintained after every use? These questions need to be asked before any playground surface is constructed. Calculating foot traffic for playgrounds is crucial for their longevity. Foot traffic refers to the number of individuals entering and moving within the playground's physical space. It is an important metric for understanding how playgrounds are used. By analyzing foot traffic, we could gain valuable insights into the behavior of playground surfaces, which can help us develop more effective strategies and improve overall user experiences. In my last vlog, I discussed the significance of pre-planning synthetic turf seams in playground installations. The team must know where to position or conceal the seam lines, especially in areas where heavy foot traffic and location of the poles. To avoid seam separation, I recommend steering clear of placing seams in high traffic areas. By adjusting the layout, we can effectively keep seams out of these zones to ensure a successful installation. If it is absolutely necessary to position the seams in such areas, in that case, I recommend using a quality seaming tape and adhesive to bond the sections together and/or use friction mats in high traffic areas. What are friction mats? Well, playgrounds take a beating, especially in high traffic areas. To reduce this wear, I recommend using nylon fiber material for what I call friction mats. These mats should be placed in strategic locations such as under swing sets and at exits of slides and in other areas where heavy foot traffic is visible. Nylon is more durable than most polyethylene or polypropylene fibers, which will help extend the surface's lifespan. If you use nylon friction mats in high traffic areas, ensure your entire system is laboratory tested. I hope you're enjoying this series on seaming playgrounds. Join me next time when I discuss seam compression in playgrounds and its pivotal role in the longevity of the playground system. Until next time, JW out.